All right, we're going to get to a mad dash, and I'm going to be surprised, too, because he and I didn't talk about it during the break. So what are you going to do?
Okay, Micron. This is very important because there's a Deutsche Bank upgrade, and there are a number of positives. I think we've hit a lot of negatives this morning in a number of different situations and sectors.
Yep.
They're talking about, finally, the inventory glut is behind them. They also say that we are at the inflection point. They have something that's more proprietary than commodity. This stock can be a leader. And there are others that can go with it. I mean, for instance, historically, you might find that AMD will go with it because there's a big PC component. Now,
that is if Deutsche Bank is correct in their analysis.
If they're correct, exactly, and trying to predict the bottom so far has been a fool's game. Just a fool's game. But I've got to tell you, David, if it's true, this group is a leadership group, and it's been just kind of weak for weeks now. I mean, obviously, Intel would benefit from this.
Right.
I have not found anything other than NVIDIA that's been positive. NVIDIA's been one-way street down since they reported that great number. So maybe Micron sparks a little life. It wouldn't surprise me.
We talked about the movement in NVIDIA directly after the report of the quarter. Stock market hasn't done particularly well since then either, has it?
No, and you know what? The stock market hasn't done that well. Look, there are individual stocks that have done well.
Right. Well, I can name 7 of them that outperformed the 31% gain in the NASDAQ.
Well, you have Amazon. It's been terrific. Alphabet. And by the way,
Meta,
I don't
Tesla,
know. I mean, this is anecdotal.
NVIDIA.
How long? Oh, Tesla's amazing. How long will people ignore the fact that Alphabet, Google, has an incredible football package? And maybe brings in more people. I know when you talk about these things, you talk about the NFL, it's always anecdotal. But you did have that Monday Night Football being the best. You do have a surprisingly good option in Alphabet, much better, I think, than DirecTV. You have gambling, I know from DraftKings, out of control positive in the fourth quarter. You actually have fourth quarter action that has shocked people, and it's almost like Vegas is involved. I know that's not true. But I just think that people are misjudging. I think Alphabet may be a real winner in this. And we cannot dismiss the NFL as a factor in our lives. The Monday Night Football was quizzical because obviously Jets, Bills, it's not like those are the Bills market, Buffalo, last I looked, not a giant market.
Right.